Model, 2017 Mitsubishi L200 Warrior Die Euro 6 starts runs needs turbo no VAT bargain. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 125280. Engine, 2442 cc 4N15178 Euro 6. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, sat-nav, reversing camera, alloy wheels, tow bar. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 9,100.